So for this lab, we were supposed to find a site, like a social media site, and essentially clone it so that when unsuspecting users log into it, it will, instead of being directed to that site, be directed back to our attack box in Kali. So what I did, I first came into the ettercap.dns folder and changed the site to facebook.com, and here's the IP of the machine. I don't know if I did anything else in here. I don't think I did. So then I had to boot up the social engineering toolkit, social engineering attacks, website attack vectors, credential harvesters, site cloners, IP address 92.168.100, basically where we want this to come back to. Enter URL to clone. I chose Facebook. So that's going to start up. So we have that going. Now we need to start a new terminal and do ettercap-g to boot up ettercap. We are going to start the unrifled sniffing, unified sniffing, sorry. We're then going to scan for hosts. Hopefully the Ubuntu machine that I'm using will come up. View host list. And it did. I'll pull it up on the screen right now. As you can see, 192.168.100.5. There it is. So then we are going to add it as target 1. We're going to go over here, plugins, manage plugins. We're going to add the DNS spoofing plugin, activating DNS spoofing. We're going to come over here, ARP poisoning, sniff remote connections. Okay. So then that started. And then going to our web browser on our Ubuntu machine. It might take a little bit to load. This is where I've been having some problems, and I think I know what's going on, but we'll see if it works again here. Start a new session. So we'll head over to Facebook. Log in with this save, and so it should have come back. Both should have picked something up in here, and then come back with the credentials in here, and it's not. And I think I know what the problem is. Because if you see, it's not, let me see. Oh, it's not doing it now. When I went to a different website, it would come up in here. But I thought that it was at first because Facebook was an HTTPS instead of an HTTP, but that's not the case. I'm wondering, my guess is because it's my web browser, maybe I need a new web browser, but I found basically that's how this attack goes. You start up the social engineering toolkit, go into the ettercap.dns file, set your parameters, start ettercap, start the unified sniffing, add the host to the target, put in the necessary plugins. In this case, it's the DNS spoofing, start the ARP poisoning, and then go to the website, and you should be getting or harvesting credentials of unsuspecting users. Again, mine, unfortunately, I put so much time into this, and I think it's because my web browser's a newer version. I'm not completely positive on that, but based on the research that I've done, that is the case. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.